Hello and good day to all friends. This is Mojtaba Rasti from the Thales group, and today is December 31st, 2025, and I'm here with you with an update on the weekly outlook, reviewing trades since last Sunday, our most recent review. Let's take a look at the trades up to now for the January 2nd expiration, which is the upcoming Friday, and see what's going on. The status of the trades in Alright, my process database, I'm sorting the filters from the 28th. From the Sunday when we did our last review, up to today for the expiration date of January 2nd for January 2nd. So we add 7,513 Bitcoin open interest, which gives us 1,983 Bitcoin. The trades that are still open, haven't been closed, and have just entered the market. The result is that the probability of movement in either direction seems to slightly favor the upside. Now, No, actually it can't be said. It's almost equal. Maybe the gamma from buying puts is even a bit higher. The probability of movement in both directions has been observed. To the upside, we have 92.5 gamma. To the downside, 83. If we go further ahead, yes, from here, from December 29th, 6 a.m. local time. Actually, the outlook has turned bearish. Gamma is seen around 84. Almost just below 84, in the money, for January 2nd. But we also have a peak at 92, meaning right now we're moving toward the peak of this delta. And we can see that our resistance starts from 89,600 and goes up to about 94.95. Somewhere within this range we could hit a top. The average sale price of the calls that have realized the top is around 93, 92.5. So we could reach this top and then move downward. I think the key point is right here. As we move forward, let's see if this data gets stronger. Again, on the bullish side, recent trades are picking up. So we also find a gamma on the bullish side. Right now, this gamma at 92,500, which indicates a top if the price can make a strong move. Here, there are some people who are hopeful and believe that buying calls now means aiming for 99. You can even see these small gammas here. They're set at 98, and some bullish trades have come in for higher targets. Look, here the trades, although the volume is low, show a bit more of a bullish outlook for Friday, but in my opinion, it's not very strong. So we'll probably go up, maybe even to 92 or 93, but then we'll come back down, meaning it looks like there's still a chance for a correction to the downside. Alright. Let's take a look at. Is it January 9th? No, it's January 4th. This is January 9th. January 9th, 2019, Bitcoin. January 9th, 2119 Bitcoin, and it's bullish. Gamma is at 9 and 3. The intersection of delta and gamma is at 9 and 6, and it could actually go up by 100,000 to a bit more than 100,000. For January 9th. For January 9th, look. This could actually, you see, it's bullish. Expectations for mid-January are pretty much bullish. Alright, let's go back to January 2nd. And the large size trades. Let's take a look at them. 10. Bitcoin, 70 trades, 20 Bitcoin, 23 trades, 23 trades, 20 Bitcoin. We have these for January 2nd, and there's still a chance for movement in either direction. Alright, look closely. We have 100 Bitcoin here. Long call of 94. December 29th, 2 days ago. Entered at 4 or 5 in the morning. Bought 100 Bitcoin for a call at 94,000. Completely speculative. On the other hand, look here, we have a newer position. entered on December 30th, around 3 or 4 in the afternoon, bought 100 Bitcoin put for 84,000, so it's a reversal. Here, the possibility of 84,000 can be seen. 150 Bitcoin long put again at 83,000. Actually, at 30 o'clock on December 30th, trades that belong to today were entered. We have 2 of them. A 77 Bitcoin long call at 87,000. For January 2nd, meaning for the 2nd. For January, the price needs to be above 87,000, which is where we are right now. Above that, 77 Bitcoin. Another one was actually bought just an hour ago, maybe even less. 23 and 8, the Moon Bitcoin long call at 98,000. Long call at 98,000. This one has taken a very aggressive bullish position. But as you can see, these were our big trades. Let's take a look and see if we have any strategies or not. And so far we don't, and these aren't it either. We don't have a strategy. All the block trades are single ones, and here again there's one. Actually, we have a 50 Bitcoin long call at 89. So let me increase the size. Up. 30 Bitcoin, 30! Bitcoin to the upside, this pattern is still holding. What you can see here is that 70 Bitcoin is also from yesterday. 70 Bitcoin yesterday afternoon. 70 Bitcoin short call at 87. That means they've set the ceiling at 87, and basically don't expect it to go higher than that for January 2nd. So I think until January 2nd, that's our outlook, because if you look here, we have 100 Bitcoin. From the entry on December 29th, call at 94, 100 Bitcoin, which is a newer position, entered late on December 29th. Long put at 84. On the other hand, there's also 150 Bitcoin long put again at 83,000. And then, as you can see, the positions that came in after that, even though they're long calls, they've set their targets lower. So I think we're going to see an upward move. That is, the upward move could possibly last until January 2nd, maybe. For example, it might even reach 91,000 or 92,000, but after that, it'll head back down again. We might even see a move down toward 84 with some volatility and a pullback. In my opinion, this is a possibility we can consider for January 2nd, but as you saw, for now. The outlook for January 9th is very positive and very bullish. Even, I think, up to 100,000 is possible. You could actually see that in the data. Thank you for your attention. I hope you find this helpful, and until the next analysis, goodbye.